Are you tired of being paranoid at home? Are you tired of constantly being worried, people coming into your space and you not wanting it? Well, this is the solution for you. This is the Tactical Defense Turret. It's a homemade, custom product. Came in with a custom plate designed here at CMU. Custom jig work created by our own Woody Carson. And over here, we have this beautiful paneling to cover up any of the messes you might see underneath it. And we also have this beautifully customly designed 3D printed structure here to provide a nice base for it to pivot and pan and also tilt. On it, you see we have 3 servo motors, 2 3001 HP running on 6-bolt and 1 3036 HP servo. The 2 3001 HPs are for the pan and the tilt. The 3036 here is for the trigger mechanism. And you'll see, as a quick little demonstration, when someone comes into a room that you are not wanting them to, the Pixie camera here will pick up the motion, track them, and when it's ready to fire, we'll pull the trigger. Can we get a demonstration now? Oh. As you see, the Tactical Defense Turret works every time.